buy some weed?
Sure. How much are you selling it for? How much?
$10. It's $10.
Alright, that sounds about nice. I got my accent down. I have it. How's that? Alright.
Got marijuana zoom in.
What are some other names of marijuana?
Mary Jane. Grass. Weed. Pot. Smoke it or eat it.
Although it can cure like nausea when you're having symptoms.
The punishment for possession of marijuana can be treated as either Class A misdemeanor or a Class C felony, depending on the person's prior criminal history and whether or not the marijuana appears to be for other than personal use. If a person already has a conviction for marijuana, second-degree misdemeanor offense, then any further arrest for marijuana will be charged as marijuana first degree, a felony. In this country, marijuana is the most often used illegal drug.
Getting unaddicted takes time and effort.
Go.
Long-term marijuana abuse can lead to addiction. When trying to stop, it can lead into problems like irritability, sleepiness, decreased appetite, which can trigger disordered eating, anxiety, drug craving. When marijuana is being smoked, it can affect pleasure, memory, thoughts, concentration, sensor and time perception, and coordinated movement.
The treatment is mainly just staying sober for a couple of weeks and not taking it. There really is no other treatment for marijuana.
You can help with panic and anxiety, but it also makes you have poor coordination of movement. After the initial up, it makes them feel sleepy or depressed.
Marijuana is not a depressant, though it sometimes causes muscle relaxation, lowering of blood pressure, and generally a sort of drowsy, relaxed sort of feeling. Marijuana is not a stimulant, and it is in no way increases the body's central nervous system. It is not really considered a hallucinogen because it does not cause any big hallucinations. However, it does cause a change in perception. It does not create any full hallucinations, but indeed changes people's normal outlook on things. Penalties for misdemeanor possession of marijuana: maximum of 1 year in jail, $2,000 fine, and suspended driver's license of persons convicted of this offense for up to 90 days. Penalties for felony possession of marijuana: person sentence of 1 year and a day to 10 years. Maximum fine of up to $5,000.
Okay, thank you.
I just kept passing.
If you take marijuana when you're going to school and everything, then you're not as smart because you kind of have brain damages and it's for science. Yeah.
Okay. Right now, there are 2 states that legalized recreational marijuana: Colorado and Washington. Over a dozen states, including Oregon, have proposed legalizing recreational cannabis. Lots of states have proposed legalizing medical marijuana usage. Predicted by 2018 that legalizing marijuana will be a thing of the past.
Okay. The effects on family and social life with marijuana are pretty severe. First of all, if you take it while you're a teenager, then it really suffers your grades and you really go down in your terms of knowledge and awareness of other things. So please do not take marijuana, because if you want to get into a good college and be a smart student, I wouldn't recommend taking that. Also, it suffers brain loss, and like I said, the more you take it and the more you consume it, the worse your brain gets and the more long-term damages you sustain.